Hi, this is Chef Ravraj from Juliette Restaurant, Mumbai. Today we are going to do a crepe masterclass with Grazia. So now we're going to start making the buckwheat crepe. So I'm putting the buckwheat flour in the bowl. After the buckwheat flour, we'll add one egg, mix it a bit, and simultaneously we'll keep pouring some milk. The purpose of adding milk simultaneously will help your batter to become lump-free. Batter, it's always better to strain it. So yeah, I'm gonna make a crepe in a non-stick pan. I'll be pouring in some butter, one ladle of crepe in the center. The pan you have to just spread it by just rotating it a bit. Now I'll be removing the crepe from the pan. And so we can be doing n number of fillings in crepes. So one of my favorite is some avocado and cream cheese with a hint of feta cheese. So for that, I'll be using a sun-dried tomato pesto. I'll be spreading this on the crepe. Cream cheese. I'll be adding some fresh avocados, some cherry tomatoes, some salt and pepper. Now I'll be folding this. Heat your pan to a medium heat, and I'll be pouring in my crepe, searing it both the sides. You can see a nice charred color on the top. That means your crepe is ready to. Pouring some feta cheese and some salad. Balsamic on the salad. That's it. This is my avocado and cream cheese with some feta crepe. Yeah, so now I'm making a harissa chicken crepe, more of your Mediterranean style. For that, I have a Tunisian child chicken already cooked with me. To it, I would be adding some harissa paste, crushed pepper, salt, some garlic thum. Mix it. I'll be putting the crepe back in the pan just to sear it from both the sides. So final crepe, I'll be making something in sweet. So for that, I have some Nutella. I'll be spreading it nice and creamier creme fraiche. Nice, spreading it all around. Chocolate mousse, and I'll be pouring it all over the crepe.